Okay.
Okay, the session will start now. Over to you, Sivashankar.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Actually, so for suppose what is GitHub means, GitHub will allow us to store our code and manage our code, and it also gives the platform for collaboration. So collaboration means so team can you can contact each other, so they can share their codes through their systems. So if you want to if you want to share our source code of our project, what are the methods are there? Can you, Sarita, can you tell what are the methods are there?
For the source code.
Yeah, if you want to share not only source code, any files, if you want to share, can you tell me what are the methods?
Any file we can share. What are the methods?
So
We
you,
can share. We can
yeah.
share it on a GitHub, so everybody can access from there.
So yeah, correct. GitHub. Usually we can also use the Gmail, uh,
Gmail, yeah.
and we can use WhatsApp. So there are many other ways to share the code. But what is the issue when you are using those? So we cannot collaborate. We cannot use manage that files. We cannot do collaboration. So using GitHub, we can do all these things. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me try first how I will do. So first what I will do, I will open one folder in VS Code. So this is VS Code. Yeah, this is VS Code. So first I will open one folder. I will create one HTML file. Yeah. So I will call it HTML2. So I will open this folder. So here I will create one HTML file called h1.html. Okay. So now I am going to create one square to display one square. So for that, first I will create the HTML body. So here I
Okay.
will write one div. So I will give the class name for div class. So I'm doing square, so I will give it as square as name. Okay. So now here I will give style tag. So inside style tag, uh, yeah, my class name is square. So here I'll give height and width. Height I will give 100 pixels, okay, and width also I will give 100 pixels because square means both the sides are equal. Okay, so now I will give the color also. Background color I will give. Okay, background color first I will give red. Okay, so I will type red. So and also I will give the margin means I will leave some space. Okay, so margin, 150 pixels. Okay, yeah. So now that's enough, I think. So now I will just run this code. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just a minute. I will directly open it. Go to File Explorer. This is my file. I will open it. So I think you can see the red square. Okay.
Yeah.
So now what I will do, I already have a GitHub account in. So in this GitHub, I will create one empty repository. Okay. So how I will create? I will click here, new repository. So I will call it GitHub 2. I already have a GitHub 1 repository, so I will call it GitHub 2. Okay. Mm, yeah. So
Okay.
I will create repository. Yeah. Now the repository has been created. So what I will do, I will set this branch into my local branch. So first I will go to terminal. Okay. So I'll open the terminal. So here first I will initialize the git empty repository. So it is git init. Okay. Yeah. Initialize empty
Okay.
git repository. If you forget the code, you can, when you create the repository only, it will show the code. You can see here git init. First, it will initialize the empty repository in our local system. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see here, .git file will be there in this file directory, but it is a invisible folder, so we cannot hidden folder, so we cannot see here. Mm, so now what I will do, I will set this as a branch. Okay. So git. So the code is also here, so you can see, you can git remote add origin and followed by our repository. So I will paste that GitHub repository address. Okay, the code is git remote add origin followed by the address. Okay, so then now my local repository, my system repository is linked with this repository. Okay, so
Okay.
now what I will do, I will push this h1 file. Okay, so for that I will use git add dot git add dot. Okay, so dot add means even whatever files will be there inside it, all the files will get added. Okay, so so when I add, each file will have a
It's not dot add, no? Add dot.
sorry, add dot. So, thank you, sir. So now I will also give the commit message to understand what I did, what I updated. Okay, so git commit -m. So I will write a message here. Red square. Okay, so I will click enter. You can see two files has been changed. One is this HTML, another one this branch.json also added. It's not required, but okay, we will delete it later. So now I'll also follow the instructions, whatever the code here. The next command, if you forget, you can see here. See, all the commands are here itself. So now git add dot is done. So git commit also done. Now git branch -m main. Okay. So git branch -m main. Okay. So what this command will do means, there will be a two branches in our GitHub. One is master branch, another is main branch. So I push this code to main branch. Okay. So the next command is
Okay.
what? The git remote add. So origin we already set it. Okay. This command we already executed. No. So the last one is push command. So git push -u origin main. So what I will do, I will just say git push
Push
-u
minus.
origin main. Okay. Yeah. You can see all the, yeah. See. So it is all the files has been pushed now for now. Okay. So let me go and refresh the repository here that the files has been updated or not. Okay. Yeah. Here you can see two files has been pushed. Okay. So you can also see the source code here. See. Okay. Now what you do? Now it is printing one red square, no? Uh, Under below, can you print a green square under this?
For that, I need to
Yeah.
download the VS Code in my system.
That's okay. VS Code is not required.
Mm-hmm.
We will do it in Notepad only. Okay.
In the notepad,
Yeah.
the HTML page I need to write, right?
Yeah. Correct.
Okay.
So let me just add, Sarita, the purpose
Yes,
of
sir.
Git is for collaboration. So
Yeah.
Sivashankar has done part of the code. Now remaining part of the code you have to do it. Okay. So just
Okay.
below his red rectangular box, you have to make a green rectangular box. Okay.
Okay.
So you're working on the same file. So what you have to do is you have to retrieve the file which he has done. You have to make some changes and push it back into the same GitHub repository. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The purpose is for collaboration, so that two people can work on the same file. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. So I need
Yeah.
to
Over to
use
you.
this.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now I will stop share. Can you share your screen? For sharing the screen, you want to click on the share icon. So after clicking that, you want to select the entire screen, and after entire screen, you want to select that small screen. It will show, and you want to click on share button. Also, keep your mic unmute.
Yeah. It's unmuted, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So you give everything in a chat box on your GitHub URL, right?
Yeah, correct. So this is my URL.
Okay. So
Yeah.
that's your URL.
For viewing the source code, you can click on the hn.html. Yeah. So now what you do means open the
I simply not change here. It's a green things.
no, don't change there. We will do it.
Okay.
We will edit our file in your system. Okay, by cloning the same repository. Okay.
Okay. So I need to clone it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not like that. I will tell you. Can you open your file explorer?
My file explorer. Okay.
Okay. Can you go to D drive?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
D drive.
Scroll down. Ah. Okay, create one repository called coding. You can also click Control Shift N.
Control Shift N. Okay. Control Shift N.
So rename that to coding.
Oh,
Okay.
done.
And open that. No, open that file directory. I am double click. Yeah. Create one more directory called HTML. Right. Control Shift N. HTML.
And what I need to, what's this name? Control directory.
HTML. Yeah. HTML.
HTML.
Yeah. L.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Enter.
HTML.
Okay. Open. Yeah. Can you click on that address bar above this PC recovery? Yeah. Slightly to the right. That empty space is there, no? No, no,
Search HTML.
not there, not there. After HTML, there is a empty space, no? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, click there. Okay, type CMD. So
D.
click enter. Now the CMD will open in this directory. Yeah. Can you keep full screen of that? Okay. So now here you want to type that command. So git clone.
Clone.
If you click Control plus plus, will the size will increase? It's very hard to view.
It's not increasing the size.
Okay, that's okay. Git clone and copy that URL and paste it.
Git.
So it will clone the Github2 repository in your system.
CLONE. Clone. Git clone.
No, not like that. Git clone followed by that GitHub URL. Can you copy first it in the chart?
Okay, okay. I didn't do it. Okay. The chat root.
It is in the. I can directly copy second command and full command git clone. Good. Yeah. Git clone and paste. Space clone. Git space clone. It's a two different words.
Then space and then control shift.
Space and then control V. After clone, space should be there. Yeah. Type enter.
Then
Enter.
GitHub 2.
Yeah. So it's cloned, right? Okay. Okay. Now go to File Explorer again in the same directory. If you see that files,
No, not this one.
D colon coding HTML. See that GitHub2 repository is based in your local system, right?
Okay,
Okay.
so I need open
Now right click
this.
on h1.html. Edit with is there option? Select first. No. Select that h1 file.
Okay.
So now right click
Okay.
Oh, edit with
Edit.
Notepad plus plus. Yeah, good. Okay, now we have to do Control plus plus. I think it will.
Okay, control plus plus control. Yes. No, it's not
No.
working, I think.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Remove that is equal to.
Is
Yeah.
it fine?
Good. That after red is equal to is there, no?
Yeah.
So remove that.
Okay.
Okay.
Background color red.
Okay. Uh, Not like that. So now I have created one div, no? So div means the place of that screen, right? That
Okay.
HTML. So it was displayed on the top. So under that, write another div. Call it square 2. After line number 17,
Line number 17. Okay.
enter. Create another div class name, call it square 2, more or less. I think you written uppercase, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Square 2, 2, 2.
Okay. Two.
It's just a class name. Any name you can give, okay? So we are following the
Okay.
sequence. Close that inverted comma and greater than symbol. Yeah. And now close the div tag. So this is the second div. Div is nothing but a placeholder. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now after
And
line
what I
number
do?
14, inside the style
14.
tag,
Mm-hmm.
enter. After line number 14, enter.
Line number 14.
Yeah. So again dot square 2,
Okay. Same thing.
same thing. No, no, not there, not there. Don't write there. It should be inside the square style tag, no? Control Z. Yeah. The class name is this time square 2, no? Yes. Okay. Green. Yes. Okay. Okay, save this. Okay, now go to File Explorer and open that file. Okay, open H1.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
I got it.
This is the
Yeah.
second square, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it.
Now what I will do, so now you want to push this code to the same repository, okay?
Okay. Then
So
how?
for that you should have installed the Git in your system, right?
I
Is there
have
Git
it.
installed in your system?
Git. Yeah. I think I have it.
Okay. Can you log into your GitHub first?
But
Open new tab and github.com.
Git.
Yeah. Sign in is it's showing, no? Sign in. Can you click there above? So your email followed by, you can stop share if you want while entering the password.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Sarita, did you log in?
Yeah.
Okay, you can share now. Okay, now go to login. Sorry, GitHub dot. Can you click that GitHub icon? Can you see that cat icon? Yeah, click that. Okay. Okay. So now go to command prompt. Here. Okay, come to GitHub directory. CD GitHub one. Change. No, no. He in the command prompt itself.
Okay, CD. Change
CD
CD, change the directory, GitHub.
GitHub one the directory. Now we cloned na. That one.
Git
GitHub 2, right?
one.
GitHub 2, I think.
Oh yeah, two.
Okay, enter. Okay, now type git status. STA status STA TUS. TUS.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, enter. Okay, what is that? On branch main, your branch is up to date with origin main. Changes not staged for commit. Okay, means still some file the it's not matching. Okay,
Okay.
so now what you want to do? You want to push again from your system, right? So type git add dot for adding add
Dot.
add add.
Okay.
Yeah, enter. So it will add all the files. What is that? Git sorry, git add space dot
Space dot. Okay. Git
add space dot.
dot.
Yeah, enter. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you want to write a commit message also for this change, right?
Okay. So what I need to write? Commit.
Git commit, git space commit. No, no.
Okay.
First git
Git.
space commit, not
GitHub
GitHub,
do
only git
only get this.
space
Commit.
commit commit
Commit.
minus m space minus m
Space minus M.
space
Space.
inverted comma.
Inverted comma.
You can write the message green square has been added.
Okay.
Green square added. Space added. This message anything you can give. So we are giving like this. Okay. Git commit minus m. Okay. Type enter now. Let me see any changes. Yeah, one file is changed because you changed that h1 file, no? Something you written another some code. Okay, now git commit is done. Now git branch minus m main. Git space branch space minus uppercase m no space in between that. minus uppercase M space main. So we're pushing to the same branch, main branch. Yeah, enter. Okay, now the last one is you want to push, no? So git push minus u origin main.
Git
Push minus u minus
no
u the
space.
space. Ah, correct. Push minus u origin main. Origin GIN space main. Yeah, enter. So yeah, here yeah, correct. Remote permission is denied, no?
Yeah.
Because you are not the collaborator of my repository. So I have created one repository in my account, no? So
Okay.
you are not you don't have access to that repository. So I want to add you as the collaborator. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I will
With
show you
my
how to add the collaborator. Can you share my screen?
I stop sharing
Can I
first.
share my screen?
Yeah. I will stop my scene.
Yeah, yeah. And you want to share back immediately. Yeah. Okay. I will share first. So since you are not the collaborator of my repository, you cannot push your code to the same repository, right? So what I will do, I will come into my repository. So this is GitHub2 is my repository. So I will go to settings. Okay,
Okay.
inside settings you can see collaborators, right? So I will enter collaborator. So it is asking the password. Okay. So still there are no people. Now I'm going to add the people. So I want to type your username here. What is your username?
My
So
username
username
is
is nothing
sorry.
but github.com slash after the remaining thing will be there, no? Your name or
Okay.
something. So that one.
I will
Can you
tell
spell
you.
it?
Jha Sarita
Ja. Sir. Is this one?
061.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm added you as my collaborator. Can you share your screen now?
Okay.
So now you will receive one invitation in the email. Can you go to your email?
Okay.
That GitHub email.
Oh, that GitHub email. Okay.
Is that different from this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you have received the invitation. So you want to accept that invitation. Scroll down. View invitation. So you want to log in here to sign in. Okay, accept. Okay. Now go to that command prompt. Now command prompt and type the same command. Let me see whether you have access or not.
Okay. The same one?
Git push minus your origin main. That is where you got error, right?
Oh, yeah.
So git
Git.
push origin main. Yes. Oh, nice. See, now you
Yeah.
pushed your code. Now can you go to github.com/Sivashankar GitHub slash that URL which I sent in the chat.
Okay. Let me go. The chat.
I think it is already opened. That fourth tab,
Oh, oh, yeah. Here.
the next one. Yeah, this one, this one. Okay, refresh this. See, is your code is
Yeah,
added?
yeah. Yeah, added.
Okay, good. So now what happened? So you pushed the code, so it will affect in my remote repository. Means in my GitHub account it will update, right? But as a I am also a contributor of that repository, but in my local repository means in my computer
In my
it
computer.
will be not there, right? Correct.
Yeah, yeah.
So okay, now you can stop share. Let me see in my system. Okay, now I will share my screen. So see, in my system it is not yet updated, right? So what I will do again, I will here I will check the git status. Okay, so your branch is behind. Can you see? So I am behind one
Behind.
push.
Yeah, I
So
saw.
one commit and be fast forward. So for that use git pull. Can you see here?
Hmm. Yes.
So
Good.
which means my local repository is one commit behind. So I want to update my local repository also, so that I will get whatever the code you have pushed.
Okay.
So for that, what
How?
is the command? Git pull
Full. Full.
minus u origin main.
Main.
Yeah. Okay. What happened?
Okay.
I will type again. Okay. One file changed. Can you see? 11
Yeah.
insertions and one deletion. Okay. Let me check my file now. Okay, it's updated in my local repository also, right? See?
Yeah. Yeah. The green one.
Okay. So now what I will do, I will write another square. Okay. So by writing another div. So again, I will write another div tag. So I will call it square 2, square 3. Okay. So now I am going to write here the same code again. Square 3. Okay. Height 100. Width also 100 pixels, and background color this time I will change to blue. Okay, so let me follow the RGB. So red, blue, green and blue. Okay, so the margin also same margin I will give. So margin 50 pixels. Not okay. Now I will refresh my file here. So, oh, nice, right?
Yeah.
So now we have got three squares.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah. Let me just ask if Vamshi and Asmita understood this.
Yeah.
Over to Vamshi. Vamshi, do you know what we did? Can you explain what we did? Vamshi. Okay, Asmita, would you like to explain what we did? Okay, Sarita, would you like to explain what we did?
Yeah, I understood. First, we put one code into the GitHub, then somebody else see that code, and then whatever change they wanted to make it on that code, they did it, and then they push back to the GitHub again, and then other person pull it in their own computer and refresh it, and then so
Correct.
one place to other people is working remotely.
Correct.
Right, right. Especially, this is very relevant if you are in different time zones. Like after doing the working hours, Shivshankar will do some code. Then, when he's about to go home, what he will do? He will push the code to GitHub. Okay. Now the new day starts for you because you are in a different time zone. So you pull the code. That green part is the work that you have done during your working hours. Okay.
Yes.
By the time end of the day, you have finished the green part and you push the code to the green to GitHub. Next day, Shivshankar comes. Oh, he has seen that you have done red. I mean, you have done green. Now he will pull the code and he will work on the blue part. He has done the blue part and again he has pushed back the code. Let us say. I think now Shivshankar, you are yet to push, right? Please
Yeah, yes, sir.
continue. Please
Okay,
continue.
now I will push my code. So, I will type git, sorry, git add space start git commit. Again, I am writing commit message. So the here I will write blue square added. Okay, blue square added.
Yes.
Okay, okay, one file change. Now git branch minus m main. Okay, so now git push minus u origin main. Yeah, in my side I pushed the code. This code you can see in the github.com, but it won't be there in your local system, right? So,
Yeah.
so we'll check it in the GitHub first. Okay. So yeah. So yeah, it is there in the github.com, but it won't be there in your
In my
system.
local system,
Correct. Correct. So so what you want to do now to have it in your system?
I need to go to the D directory and take it and edit from anywhere, notepad or somewhere, whatever things I
Not
need.
here. This time you don't need to edit. We since there is
Then,
a my side the code has been pushed, so you want to pull that code to your local system so that you can have the complete code.
oh, this
Yeah.
time I need to pull it. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'll stop share. Yeah.
Okay, I will share. So for the pulling, I need to, I did it in the notepad.
No, no, command prompt. Yeah, so it is not updated in your system. Okay.
Okay. Hmm. Then command prompt, I need to, which command I
So
need
do
to run?
git pull
Git pull. Okay.
origin main.
Git pull. Ma- u.
Not no minus u.
No
Last
minus
time
u.
when I enter minus u, you got some
Okay, only origin main.
origin main.
Okay. Okay.
Nice. So now open the notepad and see the code.
In the notepad. Okay.
Yes, yes. Reload.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, blue. I got it.
Nice.
Mm, nice.
Okay. Okay. Now run this in your system. The same file. Go to Chrome
Yeah.
and refresh that. Can you go to
Chrome.
Chrome? The tab which is open. Yeah. Go to the
Okay.
document. The tab is there. No document tab. Yeah. Can you
Okay.
refresh it now?
Maybe
So that.
refresh. Yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
Excellent. Okay.
Uh,
So now again, I want Asmita to. Yeah, I think Shivshankar, you can stop the video. No,
Yes.
keep the display, Sarita, please. Oh,
okay.
Asmita dropped off. Huh? So